Yo guys, what's up? It's me again back, Samurai Trader. On yet another exciting, yet another exciting day. Today is like the 5th of February, 2025. Okay, so the title or the description of this video, like I mentioned, like how I was able, to left trade 50 pips on GBPUSD, and I was also targeting 50 pips on the EURUSD. The trade is still running. I got stopped. I got stopped out, of course, but the trade is still running. GBP was fast, like in reaching its targets. It was very quick, little drawdown upon entry, and then reaching to the target. So as you can see, like on the display, I have my GBPUSD chart, my pound dollar chart. It's on a daily time frame. So when I mentioned the bias, if you watch my previous video, it was just above this opening, new week opening gap open. So what I mentioned is like I was looking for price to close this. If it was very bearish, I was just looking for it maybe to fill half of the gap, then target these lows, or even fill to this, just to this upper end of the new week opening gap, then retrace, not retrace the strategy, but go to our target, which these and other lows were my targets. If you see, like if you've been following me, also like oh, how I post my videos on on bias and what I'll be looking at. But of course, guys, bias can change just like that. It's just bias after all. Like it gives you an edge. It gives you a chance to know what you're looking for as you're entering these trades, but it can change as you see the market behavior. And because of what has been happening, I didn't factor it. I didn't factor like all the Trump speeches, and everything that's happening, the tariffs and stuff. So I didn't factor that in. And again, I had a wrong bias, but that didn't stop me, like from having winning trades. So first of all, I'll just show you like the trade I took today. Of course, yesterday I didn't take any trades as such. I'll get into that. These are my this is my lipstick on my charts. So today, I saw this is very relatively equal. So I've made a mistake. If you remember, uh, I think it was on this day when I was when I knew that my bias, my target were these highs, but I entered this trade. I entered this trade targeting this liquidity, and thinking that maybe the market will reach to this level first before it can retrace to this level. But today I didn't want to to make the same mistake. I just want to go straight to the target with the first shift in market structure I see. So this is what ended up happening. This, if you see this, the sell side liquidity being taken, the sell side liquidity. Yeah, so this is sell side liquidity, and this is buy side liquidity. These are relatively equal. Some English. So yeah, this was my target for the trade. So I was waiting. I always make sure my trades they align with the London Open or London Q zone, or the London Q zone. London Q zone. So you know this is where I'm always looking at. So I saw this. This was just before I was in the market. Like, because yesterday I didn't do anything. I actually had a very bad day yesterday. Like, I didn't do anything. I had a guest, so I was entertaining a guest, and the markets were moving. Just doing what they were doing, and me without even able to cash any of these trades. So I was like, today I'm going early. So after the gym, I came to the markets, and this is what I saw. I saw this, and then I saw like this shift in market structure, big up close candles, and they created this favorable gap. So what I did is like I placed my my limit order. I placed my limit order with the target on this. Actually, my target was 40, yeah, 40 pips. 40 pips. I'm sorry. I want this video to be short, so I'm trying to speak even a little bit faster because I was like end up making my videos more than 10 minutes. Enough with that. Let's go to the charts. So this is what I was seeing. I saw this, as a sell side liquidity sweep, break of market structure, shift in market structure, whatever you want to call it, and price that retraced this, and then I saw this retracement. So the reason I didn't enter, in my real funded account is because like I was expecting maybe price to just take this and maybe retrace 50% of this level. This has always been my mistake. I really like trading retracements, but none of my retracement trades have ever panned out. So now I just saw it. Fortunate enough, for that experience, for that to feel that experience of being in such a move, seeing it, not just watching it from hindsight. I was glad I entered this on my paper trading account. So I entered this trade, and yeah, this is what I was saying. So sell side liquidity sweep, break of market structure, shifting market structure, retracement to this fair value gap, created after the shifting market structure. Then the market plummeted high, and I had it high. So this trade I was in, I will show you the trade executions. You see, I'll show the trade execution. This was my execution. This was my first target. Removed after half of the half of the range. Then this one I also removed another two, and then this one I also removed. And then I also removed this before it took my target. It took like before the price reached my target. I don't care, but I knew it was going to reach there. But just so that I don't panic, and just take the bag to save mental capital. So yeah, that's it. And another thing is the reason that made me even being comfortable entering this, even on a demo trade, on a demo account, was because there was SMT. So this is what the pound was doing, whereas the euro at the moment was making high lows, where the pound was making low lows. So I also entered this trade, and I got stopped out recently. I entered, took out some partials, again. Then I moved my stop loss here because I wanted to do something else. I was out of my room, but still my target was here. Above these highs, which are relatively equal. So you see, this is like the trade I was able to take, and this is the 50 pip more move run. And this trade I was only able to get something around 24 pips. Yeah, but that's enough. If you know me, if you know like what I go into the market looking for, I was going to the market looking for what is to do. I risk 10 pips, get 20 pips in return. So if the market offers me something like that, yeah, I'm actually glad, because my target again. So I also mentioned in my Telegram channel that I'm going to be trading gold as well. I think that's going to be interesting for those who really want, huge price movements. I'm also going to be trading gold, and I've seen like I think I can manage, and I think I can handle. So maybe tomorrow or in the New York session, or after the 8:30 news, I'll actually place some trades on my funded challenge, and I'll update you guys. Right now, I'll just show you how my Telegram channel looks. All the things I've been uploading. Okay, so I told you I was going to show you like my Telegram channel and the trades I was in, though it was paper trade. So today is the 5th. So this is when I posted I posted all my entries, and these screenshots, guys, I'll put them in the video. But this is where I posted all my entries and my target. And then this again, and this is after like I had finished taking the partials, and this again after taking partials, yeah, and then price moving to my target. So this is what I do in my Telegram channel. 20, 26 plus pips on GBP on the pound, and then 24 pips on the euro. I'm just gonna hold the stop loss. If it's hit, if it's hit, if it's hit, it's hit, and if the price moves to my direction, it moves to my direction, because like I'd already like taken some partial profits, and then price ended up like taking my profits. So if you want guys to join me in my journey, this is a free chat. This is a free group. I always post my trades. I always post my entries. If you can see, I always post my entries. I also post my my videos. These are my entries. These are my entries. So if you just want to join me on my journey, I think I have something to offer, and it's free of charge. It's just a community, and also been like conversing with other traders. Like this guy came to my inbox previous days ago. I was making something, showing me his trades, what's happening, and just advising each other. So don't be afraid. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. For my Telegram channel, you can find my account, and then we get to chat from there. Otherwise, yeah, that's all for today. For now, I'll just upload this video, and then maybe in the New York session, we have some trades. Yep, I think that's it. I think that's all.